family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We're going to be talking about today the note of marshmallow. Okay, that ooey gooey goody, all the good things in the world. Somebody don't like marshmallow, but we're going to be talking about the note of marshmallow, and we're going to be talking about some fragrances that I am excited about to wear for the fall season. Well, actually, some of these I've been wearing all season. I love a good old gourmand and honey marshmallow, sticky ooey, and all the good stuff. Yeah, I definitely like that. So let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first up, we have this woody, powdery, latonic fragrance that I absolutely adore, okay? So she has the note of marshmallow that is sitting up at the top with the milk, okay? She also has a woody note, which is cedar, all right? So we have some wood, again, latonic, and we also have musk in this. And I am talking about none other than Commodity Milk Plus. This is amazing, okay? Highly would recommend this if you're looking for a good marshmallow note type of fragrance and you don't mind a latonic fragrance at that. Now, this is the plus, so it is bold, okay? They have the expressive, and I absolutely love the bold more than the other fragrances, in my humble opinion. So I've heard great things about the expressive version of Commodity, and I've also heard great versions about the personal. Now the personal is going to sit closer to skin, okay? I heard that the expressive gives a little bit more a little kick, okay? But the bold to me is where it's at, and I am your bold girl, okay? I want to stand out. And to me, this is a standout marshmallow fragrance, okay? I love this. I love the wood that I smell in this. I am a latonic girly, so I love the milk that's in this. It doesn't give me sour milk. It doesn't give me sour milk. But does this milk do my body good? Yeah, it does. Smells so divine. I absolutely adore this fragrance. So if you're looking for a bold, latonic, woody fragrance and you want to stand out, but you want that marshmallow to be in that, this is what you want, sis. Okay, moving on. Next up, this fragrance not only has marshmallow at the top, it has whipped cream, okay? And in the base, we have some vanilla, we have some musk, and cedar, okay? Cedar's gonna get a lot of love in this, I could tell. But if it does our body so good, then I'm with it, right? So this is your fruity, but so gourmand goodness. And I wear this all year round, okay? I don't think there's ever a time or a season that I don't wear this. But when I say in the fall, she be like, hey, what up? I mean, it doesn't even matter. Actually, take that back. It doesn't matter. At any season, she's like, hey, what's up? I'm here. What we got going on? And I'm talking about none other than Minnie Mouse from the House of Sillage. Do you all have this? I'm sure you do. This is the raspberry, again, whipped cream. But that marshmallow and whipped cream together, ooh, baby, I don't even have to put this up to my nose. And she gives me compliments all the time. When I want a fragrance that will give me compliments and is gourmand, I am always reaching for Minnie Mouse, okay? I wear Minnie Mouse at the church house. I wear Minnie Mouse at work. Easy grab and go. Like, she is, like, to me, if you wanted to, I'ma say it. That's fine. It's my opinion. I'ma say it. To me, she can be even a signature scent for somebody. If you want it, If you want her to be that way, I feel like she can be a signature scent. She just works out all the time. Like I could not get tired of this. I know that there's people that might get tired, but I just can't get tired of this. She's just so good, okay? Just so good. I love it. I love her. I love her. And I'm gonna keep wearing her, okay? Moving on. So let me just take a quick pause, a little one too. I did want to just show off quickly my sister. She does these earrings, right? And I just was like, you know what? I'm gonna be a little Nubian vibe today. I'm gonna be a little, you know, dressed down. But I wanted to match the earrings. I don't have the purple hair, but I had to find the blue band. Okay, so we, you know, I'm trying to get a little vibes going. But if you are interested, I will put her information in the description area. Reach out to her. She does jewelry. She does earrings, necklaces, bracelets, anything that you can think of. She can do it. So hit her up if you are interested. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have a good old lemon sugar marshmallow. Yeah, I said it, and I've talked about her before. Okay, heavy cream. So good. If you're looking, or if you like a citrus fragrance, okay, and you wanted something that also encompasses a marshmallow note, but you're looking for a little lemon, but you don't like lemon cleaner, you like lemon sugar, okay? Lemon gourmand. Get you heavy cream. This goes with, honey, just about anything, especially the vanilla. Vanilla is vanilla-ing this season. It gives you all of that. Sorry. If you're not new, you know. I think it's called like maybe a tick. Not a tinge, a tick. Anyway, I have those moments where the fragrance just makes me, you know, do a little 1-2 dance. Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay. And then we can go back to what we were talking about. But phlur, heavy cream. This is so good. So if you are into fragrance mist, right? If you are into wanting to pair or combine or a combination, you need a combination for the fall. This is so good, okay? And that note of marshmallow, it is so fluffy and so good. Like this to me is like a lemon cake. Like I love, okay, this body spray. I will get my entire life with this fragrance. So yes, she will be worn. Zow. Okay, moving on. Next up, does anybody like a good cherry marshmallow? So sweet, fruity. We have pink pepper. We have mandarin orange, right? Does anybody love a good cherry fragrance? Yeah. Okay. Cherry Ambition. Okay, from the 7 Virtues is a really good marshmallow note fragrance, honey, for my cherry lovers. Okay, if you're looking for a fall cherry or a cherry fall, however you want it. Oh, it's so good, okay? And the good old sis AI put probably many of us or some of us, well, I'll just speak for myself, me. She influenced me to get this. This is so good, okay? It gives me a little bit of a Tom Ford, but to me, the depth of the vanilla, the Gaiac wood, the frankincense. Now, Frank, we don't always go good together.
It sucked, Bobby.
And me and Frank, sometimes Frank, he act like he don't know me.
Who?
You know, he go missing in action. It'd be like, who? What's your name? What? And then sometimes it's like, yeah, you know me, but you don't like me.
Hate it.
Like, it's just so loud, right? It just sounds familiar. Anyway, it's interesting, like how Frank does me, okay? I'm gonna call him Frank. I'm gonna call the note Frank. But in this, and then the amber, and maybe it's the amber that really turns it or kind of blends together really nice. But to me, that amber, it gives me this like warm, spicy, kind of like this, almost like seductive a little bit, right? And this is 7 virtues. So like seduction and 7 virtues it's not always a hand in hand type of thing. But in this one, it really works out, okay? So this beautiful cherry amber, Gaiac wood, juicy. I'm gonna say juicy. Yeah, I said it. I know pink pepper's in it, so it gives a little spice, but I'm gonna say juicy. Because to me, this cherry, and maybe it's because the orange and the cherry, but it gives me a little juicy flow. Yeah, it does a little juicy, but then as it settles and it's on your skin, that woody, that amber, that spicy, that just trickles in. But it's so nice, okay? So either way, for a marshmallow note, honey, if you do not have this a part of your collection, this is a must add, okay? And I know the Sephora sale is probably around the corner. I don't know if it's going on now, but you can add this and it doesn't break the bank. I think it's like still at like 79, 80, something like that. It's a really good fragrance. I would highly recommend to, again, all my cherry marshmallows, amber lovers, okay? Moving on. Next up, just a little side note, okay? I have, when I was in Neiman Marcus, I smelled the Boom Bomb. I believe that's what it's called. Boom Bomb. I think that's what it's called. But it's from the House of Beau. And they have a new fragrance that has a marshmallow note, okay? And I have said, like, when I first smelled it, it was too green for me, okay? It just gave me grass, trees, and all the things. I am still going to find a tester so I can really test out that fragrance. So I don't want to, take that out of something that I really want in my collection. I am interested, right? I just did not, my first impression of it and all the greenery, I don't know. But I do want to give it a fair shot, so I am going to get a tester. So what is on my wish list is Lost in a Dream by Paulina Shar, right? In partnership with Navitus. I really want that fragrance. It is on my wish list. I am going to add it to my Christmas wish list, okay? And I'm hoping to really get that fragrance by the end of the year. I will say I really wanted to smell it because I hear so many great things about it. And I love a good latonic fragrance as well. But I wanted to make sure that it really did well on my skin, because sometimes latonic fragrances, even though I've had great experience thus far, sometimes it can go sour, it can go left, because like Vanilla Milk, right, by Ellis Brooklyn. Yeah, that went sour and left and down. It went down and to the left. It wasn't good for me, okay? Vanilla Milk, yeah, that wasn't a good latonic experience. So it went back. But either way, I really wanted to try it or test before I, bought it. But either way, I'm going to blind buy it probably and add it to my collection because I'm really interested. But that is one fragrance that has a marshmallow note that I want in my collection. Why I am saying this? Yes, because it has a marshmallow note. So I don't have that fragrance here, but another fragrance to close this out that has a marshmallow note that my first impression wasn't a good impression. Nope, I wasn't checking for her at first. But after I let her sit and let her do her thing and kind of blend, then she was good after that, right? Then we was the best of friends and I love her. So I am talking about none other than Kayali, okay? And this is Yum Pistachio Gelato. This is such a good, beautiful fragrance that has the note of marshmallow. Yes, okay? So that nutty marshmallow, that is such a beautiful blend for this fall season, if I were to say so myself. But I know I'm not the only one saying that. I am sure because it is so beautiful. I feel like this can also go well or pair well in the spring and summer season. But I feel like that fall just gives you a little bit more breeze so everyone else in your circle can also enjoy it. I've gotten so many compliments with this alone and with this pairing with other fragrances. This is such a beautiful fragrance, and I would highly recommend if you are trying to get, you trying to dip your toe in a little marshmallow pool and you're like, you know what, sis? I like marshmallow. I could do some marshmallow. The note of marshmallow. Maybe, trickle on down to Kayali and get you Yum Pistachio Gelato. I feel like this is such a fragrance that is a must, right? It's a need. However, I did want to preface it and say my first experience spraying this was not a great experience, but I did allow it to settle. And after, we good now. We good to go. Moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my marshmallow fragrances that I'm excited to wear for the fall season. What maybe marshmallow fragrances do you have in your collection? Well, that has the note of marshmallow in your fragrance, okay? Let me know down below. I love a good gourmand, ooey gooey. And that's what I want to be for this fall season. I want to be all the gourmands, all the cookies, cakes, pies, and Well, make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.